Get real-time push notifications on your phone or tablet devices with Data Change Alert tool. All your registered devices as well as other users using the mobile app will be notified almost instantly for any event on your QuickBase table. To configure your alert, go to the Plugin Configuration Wizard. Select the QuickBase app and the table you like to configure. Add a desired name of the configuration and hit Save. Click on the newly configured tool from the dashboard. There are 3 more simple steps you need to follow for you and your team to start using the plugin. The first step is to register your device on ARC1 secured server. Just tap on the register button and you are good to go. The second step is to register a webhook for the QuickBase table. If you already have a webhook with the same name, you will get an error. If not, your new webhook will be automatically added. You can choose to update the trigger rules of your newly created webhook based on when you would like to get notified. You are now all set to start getting notifications on your device. Watch more videos in this series to know more about all the plugins. Download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for free. To learn more, you can visit quickbase.dev or email us at info@arc1.dev.